Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stellar Grills and Chills, y'all. Stellar Grills and Chills. And hey, while we here, we gonna rain on them. We gonna cook a lot of great food. So don't forget, give me that LSS, y'all. That like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. Yeah, y'all. We got a piece of tenderloin today, y'all. So first thing we gonna do, we gonna slice them down the middle. Not cutting all the way through though, y'all. Not cutting all the way through. So once we get them opened up like this here, we're gonna get them laid out flat. Then after that, you know we gotta rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, some cayenne, some basil, some oregano, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, y'all. Then we gonna go ahead and stuff that middle with some cheese. Now I'm using sharp cheddar cheese today. But of course, you can use any kind of cheese that you like. Now you don't have to do this with deer either, y'all. You can do this with pork. You can get your beef tenderloin, whatever. So now we're gonna take our twine and go ahead and tie this deer tenderloin back up. Now all you need to do here is just your first knot. Just go ahead and make a regular knot. Tie it, not too tight, but kind of tight. And then drag that string down like you see me doing here. And bring it in. And just keep repeating that process. All the way down until you have the whole thing tied. And like I say, you want it snug. You know, not super tight, but you want it tight enough. Oh yeah, this gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good. Now once we get it all tied up, we're gonna go and rain on this side right quick with them same seasonings. And then we're gonna wrap this bad boy in some bacon, y'all. Oh yeah. Wrap this whole thing in that bacon. That bacon gonna give such a beautiful extra kick of flavor to this here. You just don't know, y'all. Just don't know. You gotta try this one. Now that we got our deer wrapped in bacon, let's go ahead and get our coals ready. Gonna start by going ahead and stuffing our chimney with some paper. Now these just some old news flyers I got. Then we gonna get some charcoal in that chimney, y'all. And we gonna get them laid up. Now once our coals get hot and ready, let's go ahead and get them in our grill, y'all. Then we can go ahead and get this deer on. Now when you put your deer on, you want to put it in like the medium heat zone. Because we're looking for a temperature of 140 on this here, y'all. 140. That's going to give us that perfect medium, y'all. And while I was grilling this, I decided to go ahead and throw me some corn on the cob on. Hey, that grilled corn be good, y'all. Oh yeah, that deer is coming up, looking real good. That bacon's getting crisp all around that deer. And hey, he ready to come on off this grill, y'all. He ready to come on off. So let's cut him open, see what he look like on the inside. Oh yeah. He looking good, y'all. He looking good. But anyway, you know what time it is. love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.